Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the TikTok viral reverse cat eye video for you guys. I saw this on TikTok a couple weeks ago and I knew I wanted to recreate it. I was a little nervous trying it out, not gonna lie. It looks pretty intimidating the way you do it, but if you just kind of play around with your wing placement and just be patient and just blend it out nicely, it'll turn out fabulous. And I think it works really well with my deep set eyes because I don't have to worry about any shadow up here, just something really simple on top, and then all the drama is on the bottom lash. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look and try it out for yourself, then just keep watching. So I'm going to do a really simple eye look for my eyelids because the underneath is where it's going to have all the drama. So I'm going to go in with my Ash K-Home palette from Buxom, and I'm just going to go in with the shade Unfiltered and just put that above my crease. All right, now I'm going to go in with the shade Iconic and start patting that down on my lid. Now I'm just going to go in with Living and just take my finger and pat a little bit of that on the center of my lid. All right, we have a nice warm neutral base to start with, just super simple. And yes, now the drama comes in. I am nervous. I don't know how this is going to go. I have not tried this before. I just saw it a few times on TikTok, so I thought, let's do this. Let's give it a try. So I'm going to go in with my Sephora black liner, and I'm just going to start lining the inner waterline. All right, now I'm going to take my eyeliner and go right under my lash line. All right, I'm nervous. I don't know if I can pull this off. So I'm just going to take my little smudge brush from e.l.f. Yeah, just a little square smudge brush and just start buffing it out underneath. All right, now I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow from Ash Comb Set. I'm going in with the black shade Smoking and my little tiny concealer brush from e.l.f. And I'm going to start to try and draw a bottom wing. All right, I'm going to try and buff a little bit of Unfiltered into the bottom lash line. Just to kind of create like a softer, smoked out cat eye rather than just a really harsh line. I'm just going to take a little bit of black liquid liner and kind of go over where my wing is. And just right along the lash line. Because I'm not going to put any mascara on my lower lash line. I don't like the way it looks on me. So this will kind of give me a little bit of that look as if I had mascara on. You kind of got like the deepest of dark, and then it's diffusing out to the eyeliner and then diffusing out to the eyeshadow. And I'm just kind of going in between my lashes as well. All right, this is the final look. So I put on a little bit of mascara. I kept the outside of my lashes. I think that kind of gives you more of a cat-like effect. I also went in again with unfiltered and just kind of buffed under my eye a little bit more. I think that's what really pulls the look together. I was a little nervous when it was just the black eyeliner and smudged out. It was harsh, but once you get that nice taupey shade in there and just kind of buff underneath, it just kind of smokes it out and really brings the look together. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys try this out yourselves. Let me know how it goes. It's just makeup. You can play, you can wash it off, like have fun with it. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.